Hello, my little artists. Today we are going to draw and color this yummy little bread. Are you ready? Yay! Let's start! First, I draw the bread carefully. Slowly, gently, I draw a big round shape, like a soft little hill.
Magic lights that glow and gleam, filling hearts with fun and dreams.
Then, I add a small line near the bottom so it looks fluffy. Now, I draw 3 curvy lines on top. Wow, the bread looks so cute.
In the sky, twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright, guiding dreams throughout the night.
Now I start coloring the bread. I use my orange color, slow and neat, inside the lines, nice and smooth. Ah, it looks so warm and fresh.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from afar, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright, guiding dreams throughout the night. Magic lights that glow and gleam, filling hearts.
Next, I color the top lines. I use red color. Slowly, gently. Look how bright and yummy it looks.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly.
And now, last step. I use my black marker again. I redraw the border lines one more time, dark and neat. Perfect! Yay! Our yummy little bread is ready. Great job, my little artist. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yay! Sparkle bright, guiding dreams throughout the night. Magic lights that glow and